Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're actually going to be reviewing Aniise Boxycharm. If you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. Aniise Boxycharm looks really small. Look at this difference between the other ones, but we know why it actually looks so much different this month. So you guys know Boxycharm is $21 a month. It renews every month, and you get over $100 worth of makeup, so that's not bad at all. Usually it's makeup, skincare, brushes, anything except foundation. Hopefully soon, hopefully. Well, let's dive in and see what we got. This month's theme is actually called Make Waves. So this month we got Glam Glow. Never tried Glam Glow, I'm so excited too. Delamar Cosmetics Colored Blush Trio, Ciate London Steve Laurent, and Bodyography. So I'm so excited to try. First thing on the box we have the Steve Laurent lip gloss. I actually have it on right now. It looks really pretty. Yeah, kind of like a rose gold type of product, and I'm like, you guys know I love rose gold. Yeah, so really like doesn't even, to me it doesn't even look lip gloss, but when you put it on it does, and it looks really pretty. Next thing on the box we have Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate London. Wow, look at that, how pretty this is. Looks like a purplish color. And then see, let's do some swatches. It looks really pretty. And I also do have it on, as you can see. It looks really pretty. Like, never thought like a cream eyeshadow would look so pretty on the eye. At first the product looks purple, but when you put it on, it looks gold. That is so... Oh, I never thought I would wear like a cream eyeshadow, but why not? You know, let's try it. Thing on the box, we got two eye brushes. We have from Bodyography. It's a brush trio. It's an eye brush. That's really cool. It's kind of like a blending brush and an eyeliner brush. And then here we have the Glam Glow. I'm very excited to try this Glam Glow. Never tried it before. Never. And I'm so happy to try it. So it's a Glam Glow Hollywood Gentle Bubble. Look at this packaging. It's so pretty. And then when you open the box, it comes with this huge ass bottle. Look at this. It's like a cleanser. I actually ran out of cleanser, and I'll actually have it. I'm so happy because I'm really gonna try this off. Last but not least, we have the Delamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. Look at this. Look at this product. It has some really pretty colors. I don't really wear blush, but I'm gonna make an exception for this. Look at this. And the come with names is Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. Let's do some swatches. So we have Seclusion, kind of like a brown color. And then we have a pinkish Isla. And then we have a little pinkish, like really pink color. As you guys know, like I said, I don't wear blush because I already have my cheeks red. But I'm gonna make an exception with some of the colors because they're really nice. I could actually use them, you know. Never know. Like, I could use this one, you know, as a bronzer. I love wearing bronzer. As I mentioned earlier, Boxycharm is only $21 a month. And if you see what I actually review on this product, you can actually go down my description. I have a link. If you want to subscribe to my link, go right ahead. You know, it'll make me really happy that if you do, and use my link. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment below what you thought about this video, the swatches, you know, the try on. Let me know. My outfit, my hair, let me know, you know. Criticize, you know, you know, you guys know. Follow me on social media, WordPress, Instagram, Twitter. Having quite a few, but that's okay. Let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.